What's going on again, guys? My next knife review will be on this very rare Cold Steel Micro Shinobu. This time I got it at the flea market. Also, this is one of my oldest folding knives right here, and this is my actual everyday carry, so I'm not going to do a good review on this. Also, this is one of the hardest items to find. Yeah, this is a very rare item. I got this like way back in the day, so this one I got it back in 2003 at the flea market. Very cheap. I don't know how much I got it for. I think I got it for like around $5, but it's been that long, so I'm now gonna do a good review on this. This little one right here. So here it is. Here's the Cold Steel Micro Shinobu. That's what it's called. I got it at the flea market. Like wow, like so long ago. So 2003, and so I've had this for the past 20 years. So here it is. It's a very small folding knife right here. It's very small, compact. At first, I didn't know this was a Cold Steel at first. The whole time, this was just sitting in my dresser, and yeah, I realized this was a Cold Steel when I saw the label. So here it is, and yes, this is my actual everyday carry right here. Very small. All right, now let's show you a good close up of the Micro Shinobu. That's what it's called, and not much. This is just your ordinary folding knife. Well, opens like this. Hold on, let's get a good view and focus here. So opens like that, right there. So at the flea market, that's where I got it. Oh wow, so many years back. This is one of Cold Steel's rarest items right here. Yeah, at first I didn't know what this was until I saw the label. So let's show you right there. Hold on, let's get a good focus. Right there, it says Cold Steel right there. That's where I saw it. And yes, very small, compact, and as always, this is just your ordinary folding knife. It's very small, right there. And Tanto point, that's what it is. Right there, Cold Steel. Right here it says Sanmai. Yeah, this is a Sanmai steel. Oh yeah, this is very small. So let's show you the actual size right here. Hold on. Right there. So it's about like almost 4 inches right there. Yeah, you can see very well. Move it down a little bit. Yeah, it's about 4 inches overall. Yeah, I didn't know what this was actually a Cold Steel. Also, this is my second time doing a good review on this. I do have a review on this a couple years ago, so I decided to do a much proper review on this one. Yes, this is my actual EDC right there. Yeah, about 4 inches overall length. And not much. This is just your ordinary manual folder. Opens like that. Yeah, very small, compact, as you can see. And wow, so here it is. Like wow, 20 years later, I've had this for like for a long time. 2003. That's when I got this one. Yeah, the whole time it was just sitting in the dresser, and I decided to take it out and do a good review on it again. So Cold Steel Micro Shinobu, that's what it is. And yeah, this is a very rare item, and not much. It opens like that. Good, yeah, good, yeah. This is my actual everyday carry. Oh, works great. I have to say, this is built to last. 20 years, but it's older than that. I know it. Okay, again, show you good focus and close up of this. So yeah, at the flea market, that's where I got it. Okay, put it right there. Okay, so the usual recommendations, I don't have any because it's that old. This is one of Cold Steel's oldest folding knives right here. So no recommendations again. And I've had this for wow, like for 20 years, and it's older than that. I know it's old. It's more than 20 years old, but that's how old it is. 2003. That's where I got it, and it's still in great shape. It's held up pretty well. And yes, again, hard to find item, so you can't get these anymore. Yeah, one of Cold Steel's oldest folding knives right here. And yes, my actual everyday carry, no problem at all. So So there it is. I decided to do a good proper review on this. My second time doing a good review. Okay, let's show you again one more time. The Micro Shinobu. So if you want to look it up, that's what it's called. And it does, of course, it does not have a pocket clip. So I have this like in my wallet. Fits good. It doesn't bulk up. Yeah, yeah, very small, as you can see, very small. And yes, guys, this is my yeah, again, this is my actual everyday carry utility. And yes, this is my favorite EDC, by the way. And here it is. Here's the Micro Shinobu 20 years later. It's that old, and yes, this is built to last. Never failed, never broke down. Okay, let's show you again one more time. So this is just your ordinary folding knife like that. Yeah, very rare, and very hard to find nowadays. So you can't get these anymore. And again, I'm very lucky to have this right there. Micro Shinobu. There you go. There you go. Cold Steel and Sanmai. That's what it is. That's good. Awesome. This is built. That's the best thing about manual folders. They're built to last. Yeah, very small, compact, good. Good backup tool. So I have this in my wallet. Fits perfectly. Yeah, it doesn't have a pocket clip, as you can see there. And yes, this is one of my oldest folding knives. So here it is. Like wow, like 20 years later. It's been that long. So I got this like way back in the good old days. 2003. 2003. That's when I got this. Yeah. Wow, at the flea market. I think I got it for around like $5. I think that's how much I got it for. It's been that long, so I don't remember how much I actually got it for. But yep, that's where I got it at the flea market. Back in the old days. So not much. This is just your average folding knife. Opens like that. See, as you can see, it's compact, very small. Show you again one more time. Yes, my actual everyday carry. All right, so there you go. That's what it is. First off, I didn't know what this was actually. Yeah, it's been, the whole time it was just sitting in the dresser until I brought it out and saw the label, and there you go. Cold Steel, back in the day. And there you have it. I gave you a good review on the Cold Steel Micro Shinobu. Very rare item, very hard to find. Yes, I got this again at the flea market. Wow, like wow, 20 years ago, back in 2003. So I decided to do a good review on it. Again, this is my second time doing a good proper review on this. Also, yes, this is my actual EDC. Works great. Looks good. Works great. Never broke down. And again, this is built to last. Okay, so let me know what you think of this. And thanks for watching.